In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Grand Peace Online on Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to access Grand Peace Online on your Xbox One. Keep in mind that I am recording this video on my PC, but the process of joining the experience and playing is exactly the same across all platforms, so don't worry. So all that you have to do is open Roblox on your platform of choice, specifically the Xbox One, and then use the search function to look for Grand Peace Online. Because it is a very popular experience, it should be the first one to pop up, and as you can see, it has almost 1 billion visits and more than 90% of likes. And you will be able to see the controls, read the description. As you can see, double legendary fruit rates are automatically applied every Friday through Sunday, so that is going to be the best option for you to join, but you can join the experience whenever you want. So when you first join the experience, you will have the ability to customize your character, and you will see the main options to play. So you will have the options set sail, universal hub, and then customize or private servers. For this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and choose set sail, but you can explore the other options if you would like to play alone, customize your character, or browse through other modes. So immediately upon choosing set sail, like I said, if you have never actually created your character, you will be able to set it up, customize, and then now you can go ahead and play. So you will be guided through the process of playing. As you can see, all of the buttons are going to be automatically assigned, and I have a quest from this NPC that I have to complete. But you will be guided through the process of interacting with NPCs, improving your level and abilities, and see how the game functions. You will be able to travel through islands after you complete all the objectives and get a certain level in a specific one, and you can talk to all of these NPCs to learn. You will be able to defeat enemies and get quests to improve your levels. You can find treasures, as you can see here, improve your skills, and you will be able to play through the entirety of Grand Peace Online on your Xbox One. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Grand Peace Online on Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.